Take your PBX to the next level. Get more benefits with VitalPBX add-ons. IVR Stats is the perfect tool for improving your customer service. This information is going to help you to identify which options are most popular and then adjust your IVR accordingly. Create reports based on the number of times the options on your IVR are selected. Also, you can easily create surveys using our IVRs and measure the stats with IVR Stats. VitalPBX is the final solution for your business that looks for an effective PBX phone system. Don't believe me? Well, try it out today. We've got a community version that'll give you a head start and the chance to try all of the features to get to know everything that VitalPBX is capable of. Download and install it today.